In the session of video, we are going to discuss continuity on an interval. So we have already discussed about the continuity at a point, continuity of whole domain. Now we will discuss now continuity on an interval. It means we are restricting our given function between 2 point. Clear? किन्हीं दो पॉइंट्स के बीच में हमको कंटिन्यूटी चेक करनी है. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट फिल चेक दैट कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ फंक्शन. कंटिन्यूटी ऑन एन ओपन इंटरवल. किसी भी दो ओपन इंटरवल पे कंटिन्यूटी चेक करनी है. ओपन इंटरवल मीन्स जहाँ पे ओपन इंटरवल की बात आती है वहाँ पे ए और बी को हम लोग एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. क्लियर? एक्सेप्ट ए एंड बी. सो बिटवीन दीज टू. So first of all, my question is how many possible numbers between these two? So the answer is infinite. Clear? So our function is continuous between element comes between 2 and 3. 2 और 3 के between जितने भी elements आएंगे, जितने भी numbers आएंगे, वहाँ पे हमारा function कैसा रहना चाहिए? Continuous रहना चाहिए. 2 और 3 पे नहीं, except 2 और 3. Clear? So this function, this kind of function is called the function continuous on open interval. Clear? And one example is that the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function is a kind of function which is closure, which is continuous on an open interval. Clear? Now second is that continuity on a closed interval. A function is said to be continuous on a closed interval if and only if it is continuous on open interval a comma b and it is continuous at a from right and at b from left. Clear? What it means? It means first of all f is continuous on the open interval a comma b. Clear? And second, what? Its right hand limit x tends to a plus fx must be equal to fa. Third, limit x tends to minus b, fx is equal to fb. Then fx is continuous at close interval a comma b. Clear? So a comma b के लिए close interval function continuous होगा when first of all it is continuous at open interval a comma b के जितने भी elements हैं उन पे ये continuous होना चाहिए as well as its right hand limit it is continuous on at a from right and continuous at b from left, means including these two elements also. So this is the continuity of function at open interval and the closed interval. Now in this session we will learn some property of continuous function and prove the continuity of some standard real function in their domain. So now we have theorem 1. If f and g are two continuous function and their common domain D, then first f plus g is continuous on D. Second, f minus g is continuous on D. Third, f into g is continuous on D. Fourth, k into f is continuous on D, where k is any real number. Fifth, f upon g is continuous on D except x such that gx not equals to 0. Sixth, 1 upon f is continuous on D except x is not equals to 0. So these are some properties, theorems. It means to say that if f and g are two continuous function, then the sum of these two continuous function is also continuous. The difference of these continuous function is continuous. Product is also continuous. Multiplying with these function with any real number, so the result is also continuous. Division of these two function is also continuous, and reciprocal of this function is also continuous. ठीक है, क्लियर? मीन्स इनका सम कंटिन्यूस होता है, डिफरेंस कंटिन्यूस, प्रोडक्ट कंटिन्यूस, और अगर हम किसी रियल नंबर से इस फंक्शन में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो भी ये कैसा रहेगा? कंटिन्यूस. नेक्स्ट, डिवाइड करते हैं दो कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन को, सो रिजल्ट विल ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूस. ऑल्सो इफ रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द फंक्शन एनी कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन, so the result is also continuous. Clear? Now